तो फाइनली हम आ चुके हैं अपने स्मार्ट फार्म पे, आपको दिख रहा होगा। तो वेलकम मीठे जन्नत में, मीठे स्वर्ग में, जिसे हम बोलते हैं कि लैंड ऑफ शुगर केन के हार्ट में। अब इस खेत के बारे में, इस स्मार्ट फार्म के बारे में और डिटेल में कुछ नई बातें, कुछ यूनिक बातें, कुछ नए फैक्ट्स आपको बताएंगे मेरी को होस्ट ऋषा कपिल। तो ले चलते हैं उनके पास।
Agriculture supports nearly half of India's workforce, despite its decreasing contribution to the country's GDP, from 85% in 1950 to 16.5% in 2020. And it is all because of poor resource management and less technological interventions. According to a survey, only 45% of the Indian farms are mechanized. China, on the other hand, has managed to mechanize 57%, while Brazil has mechanized 75%. USA, on the other hand, has mechanized 95% of their farms. But things are changing, and IFFCO Kisan is helping in bringing the change. A change towards the betterment of farmers. This is IFFCO Kisan's Bijnor Smart Farm with end-to-end traceability. This is our sugarcane crop. It is pretty young at the moment. Since we know that sugarcane is a water-intensive crop and our motto is to save water, conserve water, we have installed IoT-driven drip irrigation system in our fields.
The IoT-based proposed framework for an automated irrigation system for sugarcane crop includes real-time soil moisture sensing, satellite sensing and monitoring, operation of the water pump and solenoid valves when irrigation of sugarcane plant is required. This automated irrigation system is installed to automate the irrigation schedule remotely with no or a minimum manual intervention. High-tech solutions like GIS and satellite imageries are used and installed at demo farms to measure and record the water requirement of the sugarcane crop. Experts at our IFFCO team has designed and implemented it in such a way that these water requirement data gets passed to the irrigation system to schedule the irrigation process more efficiently through our KDG platform. Solenoid valve data and operation is done through cloud-based information. The decision of opening and closing of the valve is done through the set threshold value. Valves will be automatically opened when the fetched analog value from capacitive soil moisture sensor will be less than the threshold value. When the analog value of the capacitive soil moisture sensor goes up from the set threshold value as the soil gets wet, the solenoid valve will be closed automatically.
Several AI-powered IoT sensors have been installed in our smart farms. They help farmers in immediately knowing several agricultural data points. This is a soil moisture sensor.
Soil moisture sensors measure soil moisture at the root zone and regulate the existing conventional irrigation timer, resulting in considerable water savings. By measuring soil moisture at the root zone, they are more effective at minimizing irrigation when plants do not need additional water.
This is the Automated Wireless Weather Station, which acronyms to AWWS. It is no secret that the world today is facing erratic climate change. And as we all know, that agriculture in India is a climate-dependent sector. Any fluctuation in weather or rainfall results in tremendous reduction in the yield.
This system helps the farmer in assisting them in crop production by providing varied data about the weather changes, which are later analyzed by our experts and farmers. It also assists in pest management, thereby increasing the yield as a whole. This system brings in an improved quality, quantity, decreased cost, increased water use efficiency, efficient energy usage, conservation of natural resources, and decreasing pollution, hence improving the biological and chemical health of the soil. The best part, the advisories based on these data points collected by the stations are provided to the farmers in their local language.
This is the head unit of the IoT-driven drip irrigation system. What you see here, these are pressure releasing valves, which are commonly called PVRs. This right here is a water meter where we can measure the amount or the rate of water flow. This is a water meter. It gives us an idea about how much water has actually been given to the crops in liters.
The water pump operates automatically after taking instructions through our KTG platform. Our platform makes decisions on the basis of soil moisture data received by a capacitive soil moisture sensor and satellite imagery. The water pump is connected to the IoT board. The operations of the water pump, either on or off, can be decided by the threshold values set on the basis of soil moisture sensor calibration. Supply from the water pump is given to the main water line from the water tank.
Today we learned about the various ICT devices that we use and how better resource management and technical advances are shaping the practice of farming. This is the end of video 1. Stay tuned for more.